Hey guys, it's time to talk about the next big thing from Huawei, which is going to be the Huawei P11, and this phone is about to bring the true camera evolution. Not only that, it's going to have the biggest design change on any Huawei phone before, and I have to say, last year's Huawei P10 and P10 Plus, they were my least favorite phone. I mean, the Galaxy S8 with its bezel-less design just made everything feel outdated. They had the opportunity to make a bezel-less phone before Samsung, but they just didn't do it until the Mate 10 Pro, which came in like 2 months ago, so it was really late. But this time Huawei is about to do something really incredible. So first up, this leak was revealed by EvLeaks that shows us the information on the monster camera that Huawei is working on. It's actually an advertisement poster for Huawei's PCE camera series made in collaboration with Leica, which is a German camera company that manufactures optics and high-end cameras. He says that the digital artist at one of these agencies is claiming that there's a 40 megapixel tri-lens camera system on this thing with 5 times hybrid zoom and a 24 megapixel selfie camera. Holy moly. Now, smartphones these days have dual cameras on the back. We have seen dual cameras on the front as well, but the triple lens camera system is something beyond amazing. It's the first on a smartphone ever, and it's going to have the highest camera resolution on any smartphone these days, which is 40 megapixel. Obviously, along with this new awesome camera, we expect to see 4K at 60 FPS along with some high-res slow-mo video recording. And there's also a pretty high-end selfie camera sensor coming at 24 megapixel, which is also higher than whatever selfie cameras we have on other top-end phones. Now, Huawei is one of the first companies to have dual camera phones out in the world, and they release so many, from flagships to mid-range to even budget phones, and now they are going triple with the Huawei P11. Now on to the next big thing, which is going to be the design, and it's been said that Huawei is about to introduce a notch-based design with their P11 phone, just like the iPhone X. Thanks to the firmware files obtained by XGA developers, they show that the existence of a small notch is present at the top of the screen on their new upcoming device, and the code name for the device is Emily. You can see that it looks smaller than the notch on the iPhone X, so it may be that this area of the phone just features the front-facing camera rather than a face unlock or a facial scanner system. So of course, the reason to include the notch is that they want the bezels to go away, and at the same time they want their 24 megapixel high performance front camera sensor to be included in that notch area. And of course, it will have some kind of depth capability, so I think that it will be able to have that face unlock thing, but it won't be that good as the Apple's Face ID. Now, because this is a full screen bezel-less display, the fingerprint scanner will be on the back of the phone. According to this concept, we do have a mirror finish on the back of the Huawei P11, and I just want Huawei to just do it, because they have done it in the past. They have made mirror finish phones just like the Honor 8 and Honor 9. They look absolutely stunning, so I think doing it with their Huawei P11 would be pretty awesome. Now, display of Huawei P11 will be 1080p, and of course with 18:9 aspect ratio. We have a leak that shows us the resolution of the display, and the bigger P11 Plus will have a larger screen, the high resolution, and of course a bigger battery. It's a possibility that triple lens camera might just be exclusive to the P11 Plus. Again, we don't know anything about that, just this bombshell of a leak from one and only EvLeaks. Now under the hood, the Huawei P11 will rock Kirin 970 CPU along with 6/8GB of RAM. They use the same processor of Mate 9 in the P10, and the same thing will happen here. So they will be using the Mate 10's Kirin 970 inside the Huawei P11. It's a pretty good processor that was introduced at the end of 2017. So as far as the announcement goes, the Huawei P11 family is expected to be announced at MWC 2018. That's where we'll also see the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus family. So I'm really excited what's going to happen there, because I'm going to try myself to go there physically and give you guys a full detail of what's going to happen. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the upcoming Huawei P11. It's hard to believe that triple camera sensor is about to become a reality, and Huawei P11 will be the first phone in the world to have a triple camera sensor. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.